The year was 1666, and London was one of the busiest cities in Europe. But on the night of September 2nd, disaster struck. A small fire started in Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane, and within hours, it turned into a raging inferno that would consume most of the city. At first, the fire seemed controllable, but strong winds and closely packed wooden buildings allowed it to spread rapidly. By morning, entire streets were engulfed in flames. The lack of a proper fire brigade meant that citizens and soldiers had to fight the fire with buckets of water. But it was already out of control. As the fire spread, panic took over. People rushed to save their belongings, carrying whatever they could. Some even tried to escape by boat across the River Thames. The heat was so intense that even stone buildings, including St. Paul's Cathedral, caught fire. The cathedral's massive lead roof melted and flowed down the streets like a river of fire. For 4 days, the fire raged, destroying over 13,000 homes, 87 churches, and several important government buildings. By the time it was finally extinguished, 80,000 people were left homeless. Miraculously, only a handful of deaths were recorded, though many believed the true number was higher. The cause of the fire was never officially confirmed, but rumors spread quickly. Some blamed foreign spies, leading to violent attacks on innocent people. Others thought it was a divine punishment. Eventually, Thomas Farriner, the baker, and his workers were cleared of any deliberate wrongdoing. In the aftermath, King Charles II ordered London to be rebuilt with wider streets and stronger, fire-resistant buildings made of brick and stone. The disaster led to the creation of new fire, safety regulations, and a more organized firefighting system, shaping modern London as we know it today. The Great Fire of London was one of the most devastating events in British history, but it also became a turning point. From the ashes of destruction, a stronger, safer city was born.